This little loaf is the perfect single-serve bread to make at home. To start, we are going to weigh out and add to a mixing bowl 120 grams of all-purpose flour. Then add 1 gram of instant yeast or 3 grams of active dry yeast. Then add in 3 grams of salt. For our wet ingredients, we are only going to use 100 grams of cool water. Mix together until a shaggy dough forms. If you want to see more 1-cup mini bread recipes, make sure to leave a like on this video so I know to make more in the future. Cover and let it rest for 12 to 18 hours or in the fridge for up to 5 days. Once it has doubled or tripled in size, lightly flour the top and roll the dough into a ball. If you like bread recipes like this, then make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any future videos like this. Then, in a cast iron skillet lined with parchment paper, dust it lightly with flour and place your dough ball inside. Cover your pan with silver foil and place it in the oven. Bake at 450 degrees for 20 minutes while covered. Then remove the silver foil and bake for 10 more minutes while it's uncovered. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure to watch this video on how to make ciabatta at home.